Guys, hello, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a YouTube thumbnail. So first you want to go into your Canva account, or you make one and then you sign in, and then you want to go up, search up YouTube thumbnail. After that you see some templates. These are some things I've created. Also, this video is coming out soon, or it might be released. I don't know. But I will pick one that I want to use in the template. So I want to use this one. We're going to do this completely free, so you can use the free version. There's also a pro version, but we're just going to use the free version. So we're going to customize the template that we have here. Okay. So we're going to delete the person here, and then we're going to see it, and then you can just change it. So we're going to change this text, and I'm going to make the thumbnail for this video. How to here make I'm gonna make, and then what I'm gonna do is to click on this thing, so then I can move it, maybe change the color. So I'm gonna change this to my style, like a yellow or orange. Right there, I'm going to change the background to an orange. So let me just grab here, make that orange. Make the whole background just orange, as that's my design, but then you can't really see it. So then what I want to do is to make it yellow instead, and then okay, how to make a thumbnail, and I don't want this here, so then I do this, and then there you go. But then I don't like the alignment, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to stretch this out, shrink it down a little, rotate, like move this here, and then I'm going to make this a little bit bigger, maybe rotate it a little bit. Going to click off of it, so then you can just do this, and then bam. Okay, I'm going to change some of these colors, and maybe the font. I want to use like a more like fun font, like Wedges, which is like this. So I'm going to shrink this down. It's a little bit too big. We're going to also make this again Wedges. Maybe it looks better, in my opinion. This is what I use for most of my thumbnails. Again, we're going to make this smaller, move it, make it bigger, as it's not big enough. We're going to rotate it a little bit. And then, good. Okay, so now we can change the colors of the text. First, the outline can stay black. And I'm going to make this, again, the outline, I want the text to be orange. It looks like the outline is the only thing that you can actually change, so I guess we can just make that into a black here. As the inside is, I guess, not changeable, but we have our stuff here, and then now we can just place stuff from our uploads, paste a picture. So I'm going to upload my files, so let me just do that. Okay, I have uploaded a file, and I'm going to grab this. I can flip it horizontally if it's the wrong way. Personally, I don't like that. I like it to be on its normal way, so we're just going to do that, and then we can move this around. Maybe we can find a way how to do this. So we're going to grab our text, we're going to move it over here. We're gonna actually place this down here, so then it has more room to work with. Make that wobbly like that, and then we can move this to here. Maybe move the text up a little bit, so then we can fit this down here. Then we can just grab our my face cam thingy, my character, and put that there. And then what I can do is I'm going to search up something. Okay, so let me just go to the elements, and then you can search up whatever you would like here. So I can now use this logo, and then I'm going to put text, and then I'm going to add body of text with, so then we're going to make the color of this text purple. I like the color. I like the color of it. So we're gonna make this color purple like that, and then we're gonna change the font, and we're going to choose wedges again. I really like that font, and then we can move it, increase the size, not rotate it, and then you can always press undo if you want to undo something. Okay, so I'm gonna click off again, so then we can move this with Canva, shrink logo, and then I'm just going to put the word free in there, a little body of text, free. I think it would be better if I grew this a little bit, so then I can put it here. I'm going to again use wedges as my font and change the color of this black to a more fun color like this one. And then we want like a sparkle effect on this free thing, so we're gonna go for sparkle. I want to do that, and then see the crowns are pro, so we can't use any of those. We can use this one. We can use these. But for a thumbnail, nothing can move, so we're just going to use this golden one that matches with the colors. So we're going to make sure that the word free gets attention. So usually you only want like 3 things to be on a thumbnail. Sorry you guys for the background noise. You usually only want 3 things to be on a thumbnail. So I have the text, the logo, text, logos, and my face, so you know it's my tutorial. And this is how to make a thumbnail with Canva for free. And then if you want to download it, you go to share, then you press download, and then PNG is suggested, so we're going to download it. That means nothing's gonna move. And then it pops up here, and then we can just put it up for our thumbnail on YouTube Studio. That is it for this video. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.